everyone needs space to relax after a long day. There's no better feeling than finding your very own safe haven, especially when it's located at the bottom of your garden. Hi, I'm Laura. Here at Waltons Garden Buildings, we are passionate about helping you make the most out of your garden, which is why today I'm going to be showing you how to transform your very own log cabin into a yoga retreat. When it comes to choosing the right garden building for your yoga studio, consider factors such as size, layout and window placement to create a space that aligns with your vision. Look for designs that maximise natural illumination, allowing sunlight to flood the interior to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. We've chosen the 4x3 Wren Pent log cabin for our yoga studio thanks to its 4 full-length windows and the fully glazed double doors, which create a warm and inviting space. The pent roof's slanted design ensures efficient rainwater runoff, while the vent promotes airflow within the cabin. Plus, you've got 3 different log thicknesses to choose from, so you can tailor the cabin to your needs. Choosing thicker walls contributes to a quieter, warmer interior, which is ideal for our yoga studio. Now you need to make sure you have all the equipment you need for a successful yoga retreat. When choosing your equipment, it's best to have a colour palette in mind. Soft, muted tones like sage green create the feeling of peace and tranquility. We've chosen pastel colours, which are associated with the feeling of joy and serenity. We added some large full-length mirrors so we could see what progress we were making on our yoga poses. High-quality yoga mats, blocks, straps and bolsters are essential to support your poses and help with good practice. Other fitness equipment such as weights help achieve a balanced workout routine. Here we've upcycled this storage unit and given it new life by covering it in this marble vinyl wrap. Not only will it store all of our equipment, but it also acts as a display case. Set the scene by added scented candles and other decor which reflect your style to make this space personal and inviting. Incorporate elements inspired by nature, such as potted plants, bamboo screens and driftwood sculptures to bring the outdoors inside and create a sense of grounding. Display inspirational quotes or affirmation on wall art or chalkboard signs to infuse the space with positive energy and motivation. It shouldn't be all work, no play, which is why we've added a cozy seating area to allow your body to decompress after exercise. It also shows the multifunctional nature of a log cabin, as it can now be used as a reading nook alongside the yoga room. And there you have it, your very own yoga studio. If you want some more tips on how to decorate your garden building, we've got loads of articles and videos for you to check out. Be sure to follow us on social media, and I'll see you next time.